Hello and welcome to Mastering CentOS 7 Linux video series. So our first video covers the open source monitoring tools. So there are a lot of open source monitoring tools like Zabbix, Nagios, OpenNMS, Xenos, Cacti, SolarWinds, and many more. But in this section we will be looking into Zabbix for its simplicity and its scalability. So what is Zabbix? Zabbix is designed to monitor and track the status of various network services like servers and other network hardwares. So what are the Zabbix features? So Zabbix comes with a lot of features. It provides high performance and capacity. Also it provides auto discovery of servers and network devices within a network, and it provides low level discovery. Also it provides agentless monitoring, and with agent monitoring as well. It provides a beautiful web monitoring interface. Also you can define email notification and predefine events. You can customize your dashboard according to your environment and with the graph as well. Also it provides a user defined permission for enterprise environment, like if you want to give it to your technical lead or there is a NOC department in your environment, you can provide specific permissions to the users so that they can look into the overview of your environment. Do not make change. So these are the permissions that you can define in the Zabbix. So why Zabbix? Zabbix has graph and stat collection via SNMP or custom agent. So most of the NMS does not provide these built-in default configuration for the graphs. So Zabbix comes built in with the graphs. Remote monitoring by Zabbix proxy. Also Zabbix has a web configuration, so you can define host or network devices. You can customize the items in your web configuration. Also Zabbix uses a DB to store all stats and configuration, which is flexible in nature. So all the data of your monitoring will be saved in a database, so you can create custom reports from this as well. So what are the key elements that we will be discussing in further videos? So first of all is host. These are the remote devices that we wish to monitor, like say Linux servers or Cisco switches. The next one is the item. Items are the one that gather data from the host. So items are defined like what services that you want to monitor. It's like Apache, it's a web-based server, or you can define a specific port in it. So next one is trigger. Triggers are the logical expression that evaluate data gathered by item and represent the current system state. Next is the template. So you can create your own custom template and apply it to your remote host. So in that way you will not have to define again and again for the remote host configuration. So that's it for this lesson.